Huawei's latest flagship, the Mate 20 Pro, has just launched in India. Its most standout feature is its triple rear camera setup, similar to the one on the Huawei P20 Pro from earlier this year. Let's take a closer look at what's in the box. Huawei has kept it classy with a minimalistic box design that has the phone name, company's logo, and Leica triple camera written on the top. The rear too is clean and not cluttered with phone specifications. Let's begin the unboxing. We have to say, the phone does make a great first impression with its curved edges and the red power button that stands out from the black box. Let's boot it up now. The back has a signature 3-camera array along with a flash. The Leica logo makes another appearance here, but we guess it's a point worth boasting about. The back panel is smooth with a subtle textured design. Looks like the phone is good to go as of now, but we'll get back to it in a bit. We'll take a look at what else it comes with. The box placed below the phone contains the usual warranty and quick start guide. In case you missed it, there's a SIM eject tool embedded right here. At the bottom, there's a charger, a USB Type-C cable, a pair of USB Type-C earphones, and finally a Type-C to 3.5mm dongle. So here's a full look at everything that comes with the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Now let's talk specifications. The dual SIM phone runs EMUI 9.0 on top of Android 9 Pie out of the box and sports a 6.39-inch QHD+ curved OLED display panel. The screen has a 19.5:9 aspect ratio and a 86.9% screen-to-body ratio. The handset is powered by the flagship high-silicon Kirin 980 SoC paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of inbuilt storage. Storage is expandable to up to 256GB via nano memory card. The Mate 20 Pro has a 40-megapixel primary sensor with a wide-angle lens and f1.8 aperture. There's a second 20-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a third 8-megapixel 3x telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture. On the front, the handset sports a 24-megapixel RGB selfie camera with f2.0 aperture and support for 3D facial unlocking. There's also an in-screen fingerprint scanner and is rated IP68 for water and dust resistance. There's a 4200 mAh battery under the hood with support for 40-watt supercharged technology and 15-watt fast wireless charging technology. It also supports wireless reverse charging for charging other Qi wireless devices. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for a full review where we will evaluate the design, display, software, performance, battery life, and cameras. And for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.